Hello class, welcome to another music class session of reading music for the piano. So today we're going to learn a new concept called the tie or the tied note. Basically a note is going to be tied by a certain symbol, and how we're going to play it I will explain when we get to the keyboard view. So let us go on to the keyboard view now, and then I will explain what we will do next. Okay, let's go. Okay, today we are doing the circus, and today we are going to learn the concept of a tie. Okay, so let's have a look at this music. You can have a look at it. You can see the timing is 3/4, means 3 crochet beats in a bar. If you notice, the first bar has only one beat, only one crochet beat. Okay, and that's a pickup bar. So the first bar is allowed to have less than the whole value. The whole value of the time signature is 3/4. I want 3 crochet beats in a bar, but the first bar is allowed to have less. Okay, it's called a pickup bar. Then let us continue down this music. You can see it starts with the left hand. I'll play this G here, then the right hand, then again the left hand, then the right hand, E, now C. Now you notice there's a next note G over here, and there are 2 G's. One G is here and one G is here, and there's a line that joins to both of them. Okay, it's like a curved line. It's called a tie. What this basically does is, when I play this first note here, this is a dotted minim which I have to play for 3 counts, this note G. Okay, now when the next G comes, because this note is tied, I will not play the second time. It is tied up now. So from the first time I'll hold it for 3 counts, 1, 2, 3, plus I'll hold it for the 2 counts of the next note. Okay, I won't play this note again the second time because both the notes are tied up. So it will be equal to 1, 2, 3 beats plus 2 beats of the next note. Okay, so that's called a tie. So I'll play this for 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then I'll leave it. Okay, so that is the basic concept of the tie. I don't play 2 similar notes, the identical notes, in terms of the name of the note. The time value is slightly different. This is a dotted minim and this is on a minim. Dotted minim has 3 counts, this has 2 counts. So when I play it, I'll hold it for 3 plus 2 counts, that is 5 counts, but I'll count it as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, then I'll leave this G. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, then I'll leave this G. Okay, so that's the concept of the tie. So whenever you see 2 identical notes in terms of note name, both are G's, same name, the values may be different, but the name will be identical, and you see this line, it's called a tie. So I'll hold it for 3 plus 2 counts here. Okay, so let me play this from the beginning. G, C, C, G, E, E, C, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now G, C, C, G, E, E, C, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. There's another tie over here. Okay, then it goes to, on the 3rd beat I play this G in the left hand, G, now D, T, D, D, G, D, D, G, D. Now this D is tied over here. Both the notes are identical, D notes, but 3 counts for the dotted minim and 2 counts for the minim. So I'll hold it for 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, then I'll leave it. Then I'll go again, G, C, C, G, C, C, G. Now again here there's another tie with the note C, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so I'll play this whole song. Let us go from the beginning. Keep your eye on the music, not on my hand. The second time you can rewind and watch my hand where it's playing. Okay, I'm saying the notes. G, C, C, G, E, E, C, G, 2, 3, 1, 2, G, C, C, G, E, E, C, G, 2, 3, 1, 2, G, D, D, G, D, D, G, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, G, C, C, G, C, C, G, C, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, that's the whole song. So I'll play it once fast without saying anything so you can listen to the melody. 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, that is the song. And with the new concept, the tie. Let's go to the next one. Next one is called the riddle. Okay, so what do we have new in the riddle? In the riddle, time signature is 4/4. You all are used to this time signature 4/4. Plus there are quavers here. So once there are quavers here, you can see these two notes joined by a beam, the quavers, two quavers. This is a crotchet for one beat. Two quavers are half beat, so half becomes one, and there's a minim here. So remember I said when quavers come into the reading you have to count and. So I'll count this as crotchet will be counted one and. The next beat will be counted two and. So 2 for the first quaver, the 2 and for the second quaver, and 3 and 4 and will be for the minim. Minim has 2 beats, so we'll count 3 and 4 and. Okay, for the third beat and the fourth beat. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I'll play this with the right hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now the same thing continues with the left hand with C. 1 and 2 and 3 and. This is a G, 3 and 4 and. Okay, then again the right hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now here you see we have two notes playing simultaneously, the D and the B. Okay, this is a semi-brief. We are counting 4 counts, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We'll hold both these notes. Both are semi-briefs for 4 counts. And 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so I'm going to do this first line very slowly. Keep your eye on the notes as I'm playing. Okay, so as I count and play, your eye should also jump. Like I read poets and pigs or a riddle, my eye is moving. So as I'm playing the same way, your eye will follow the note as I play. Okay, make it a practice to do that. Let us take it from the beginning. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and left hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Back to right hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Continue. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. This is A, yeah, for 2 counts. 3 and 4 and now G. 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so basically we are counting ands for the quavers. Then here we have both notes are played simultaneously. So I'll do this little fast, count little fast also to help you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 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 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so I'll play it a little faster now so you get accustomed to the memory. Okay, that was the riddle. Okay, so we have learned a new concept today and we're practicing a bit of something which we have learned already previously. Okay, boys and girls, till the next reading class, take care, bye.